Hey y'all, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making some homemade crispy fried chicken. So let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need are House of Autry flour, which is already seasoned for chicken. You're going to need a large bag. You're going to need some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and chili powder. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of water, some Frank's Red Hot sauce, of course. You're going to need some all vegetable Crisco oil, shortening, and you're going to need 3 eggs. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and crack all 3 eggs into a bowl. Next up, go ahead and add in your 1/4 cup of water. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. Now go ahead and blend up your egg, water, and hot sauce. You can also use a whisk if that works well for you. Next up, we're going to go ahead with our dry ingredients. So we're going to put 2 cups of our House of Autry chicken flour in our bag. Well, basically it's for chicken. Next up, put in your pepper, chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're going to shake it on up. Shake it on up. Next up, we're going to go ahead and dip our chicken into our hot sauce and egg base. And then we're going to put it in our flour. I did previously wash my chicken off, rinse my chicken off in the sink before I started, just to let you guys know. But it's up to you what you want to do with your meat before you cook it. So go ahead and just put your chicken in your hot sauce and egg wash, and then you're going to put it in your flour. Now, if you choose to put your flour in a bowl and do it that way, that's totally fine. This is the old school way. Put it in a bag and shake that bag up. Now it's time to test to see if the oil is ready. Now I'm using a cast iron pan and the fire is not up too high because with cast iron pans, it holds that heat in and it heats up fast. And you don't want your pan to be too hot with the cast iron pan because then your chicken will cook fast on the outside and will be bloody on the inside. So make sure that your fire is at a medium low / medium high temperature when you're using a cast iron pan. Also, I wanted to add, when you are frying chicken or just frying anything in a pan, be sure not to overcrowd your pan because it takes away the heat and your food will not cook properly. Be sure to cook your dark meat for 12 to 15 minutes. Rotate in between so that it can cook all over if you're not deep frying. If you're deep frying, drop those babies in the oil and cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes and take them out and they're done. But if you're cooking it on a skillet with not that much oil, go ahead and just flip them and rotate them ever so often for about 12 to 15 minutes. I already flipped my chicken and it is looking nice and golden and crispy. Be sure to keep an eye on your chicken and don't walk away too much. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.